This is the second segment of the EPM policies nugget. In this video, we will cover credentials rotation policies, privilege threat protection policies, script distribution policies, and user policies. By the end of this video, you should understand the different EPM policy types and how they can benefit you. All customers who have purchased a PAM subscription are entitled to EPM credential rotation policies as a part of the PAM purchase. This policy is for loosely connected devices and allows any customer that owns a CyberArk PAM solution to leverage the EPM agent to rotate credentials. This will ease management of devices not always connected to the network and enhance security by avoiding the usage of network protocols that might be subject to vulnerabilities. EPM is also able to rotate all local administrative accounts, as opposed to some other solutions that only allow you to rotate the built-in local administrator, such as the SID 500 account in Windows. To enable this policy, you need to provide EPM with a few pieces of information, such as the password vault web access server address and the target users or computers whose local admin passwords you want to rotate. To find an in-depth guide on configuring loosely connected devices, please check out our success blogs in the CyberArk customer community. EPM's threat protection policies guard against threats to environments that retain user passwords, often similar to the user's corporate passwords. Have you ever saved a password in your browser so that you don't have to type it the next time you visit a website requiring authentication? That password gets stored in a file that is relatively easy to decrypt. Attackers can steal these passwords without needing administrator privileges, giving them an easy path to achieve lateral movement. Threat protection policies can help mitigate this risk. Script distribution policies allow EPM administrators to deploy attached scripts or enforce execution of the attached script onto target computers. Think of a zero-day attack where end users need a script to execute on their endpoint without admin privileges as quickly as possible. By using the EPM script policy, you can push and execute quicker than traditional methods, such as GPOs and third-party distribution tools. A script can simply be pushed to the endpoint to run automatically or manually via the EPM desktop module, without needing admin rights to elevate an entire command shell. You may also choose not to elevate if you want the actions to be caught by other policies, or if the action needs to run without elevation and in the context of the user. User policies allow an administrator to give emergency just-in-time access to an end user, manage access to removable drives, and control how those users can interact with key operating system elements. These elements include access to system files and registry keys, Windows services, and auditing user account control events in Windows. If a scenario arises where an end user needs emergency administrative access, and a current policy is not in a mature enough state to cover those use cases, just-in-time access can be given temporarily to ensure business continuity. It is worth noting that an ideal end state would be that proper policy is created for each persona, which allows them to do their job without needing to resort to just-in-time workflows very often. Thank you for watching. You should now understand the different EPM policy types and how they can benefit you.